This video is intended to provide insight regarding how hover-accessible content can present difficulty for some screen magnification. We are using a Wikipedia page today. This is being used because there is a lot of hover-accessible content. And I know this because when I hover over one of the blue highlighted words, a small pop-up window appears with a little bit of information. This allows me to access this information without actually clicking on that word, which would take me away from this original website to a different part of the website. But I might want to just stay right here and just access this little piece of information by hovering. So let's take a look and see how this might work with a screen magnifier. I've accessed screen magnification, and when I hover over that same word, it's important to remember, as the screen magnification user, my eyes are probably focused within this screen magnification window. One of the good things about this pop-up window is that a corner of it appears within the screen magnification window. So that alerts the user that there may be more information to access by scrolling the cursor up. So I need to scroll up so that I can take that screen magnification window and enlarge the information that's within the pop-up window. The problem with this right now is that when I go to scroll up, I move my cursor off of the word that has engaged the pop-up window, and the information disappears. If I get it exactly right, and I think what I mean by that is if I move from the center of the word very quickly up, the pop-up window stays in place, and then I can access the information with the screen magnification window. But for example, if I started on the right side of the word and then moved to the left side of the word with my cursor and then decided to go up with my magnification window, I'm losing that information, which makes this seem a little bit temperamental and not tremendously accessible for a screen magnification user. The recommendation in this case would be not to necessarily throw this resource out, but to make sure that I'm not only including this as a resource as a way to represent the content, but also provide other flexible resources that have more click accessible content rather than so much hover accessible content.